Stone, as I see it, is a piece of natural art. It is organic, so beautiful, and we can play with different textures on the stone. We can have a polished finish, a matte finish. For people who are tactile, we could have a leathered finish. The uniqueness of the stone is that Mother Nature does not make two stones alike, so you will have a completely unique piece in your own space. We wanted to simplify and elevate our clients' experience by taking away one step in the process. Having sourcing and fabrication under one roof eliminates any delays and any additional legwork by our clients. Keeping everything in one place ensures the client can select material, schedule, measure, and book installation in a single visit with quick turnaround times while maintaining quality. All the CNC machines and the automation allows us to push the boundaries of design. When we utilize all of these machineries, it helps us create a more visually impacting design while keeping the cost down by the optimal utilization of slabs. It's a faster turnaround, increased efficiency, which then results to lower costs for our clients. We wanted to shorten the lead times, make sure that the clients do feel that they are getting all the services in one place, and basically make it a much more seamless and smooth experience. Our all-in square foot pricing is all-inclusive of material, fabrication, and installation. The best part of this pricing model is that the client only pays for what they need. So if a client prefers to source the stone elsewhere at another slab yard, we would absolutely work with them. Not only will we do a quality check for the stone, but we would also be able to store the material should they want to if the project is coming at a later date. We hope that clients feel confident while working with us and that they are well taken care of. We ensure that they feel that they are in capable hands. And in the last few years, clients have not only come back to us for our craftsmanship, but also for the experience.